Time to meet our Fox best friend here who came to meet me, actually.
That's right.
Yoshi brought in Tuffy. Hello, Yoshi.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good.
Tuffy is so cute.
Tuffy
What
is
cute.
cute. Tuffy is a Chihuahua mix. He's 15 pounds, 4 years old. He's super friendly, as you can see.
Yes.
Just loves attention. He's got a lot of playful energy, actually. Super excited to see the leash when I brought it out. He couldn't wait to go out. And then, just natural lap dog. We sat in the sofa in the green room, and immediately he just jumped on my lap and went to sleep.
Is Tuffy house trained?
We don't know, unfortunately, a lot about Tuffy. He was an owner surrender who didn't share a lot of information with us. So we are now trying to find him a good home, and he may not be house trained. We're just not sure.
Just not sure at this
Yes.
You can do that.
Yes, absolutely. You can definitely train Tuffy at the age of 4 to be house trained, and he has some wee pads over there at the shelter that he's using. So.
Okay,
well, that's the first step. Right?
Yes.
Okay, what's his adoption fee?
His adoption fee is $150, which includes he's already neutered and vaccination shot and microchip. So really good investment for such a minimal price.
Okay.
He sure
Thanks,
is
Yoshi. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Here's the number on the screen. Humane Society of Utah is at 801-261-2919.
Let's send it over to Fox 13's Max Roth. He has a